So friends, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we bring you the biggest match of the tournament, the World Cup Grand Final. Spain and Argentina have battled through every stage of this incredible competition, and now only one team can lift football most precious trophy. Remember that this is a e-football video game simulation created purely for entertainment. It is not a real match or an official broadcast. So, friends, the temperature inside the stadium is fully breathtaking. Every seat is filled with passionate supporters waving flags, singing anthems, and creating an unforgettable World Cup atmosphere. Argentina's fans dreams of another historical trophy, while Spain supporters believe their team can reclaim football's greatest prize. The tension is unbelievable as the players walk onto the pitch beneath a spectacular firework display. The referee checks both captains. The coin toss is completed, and here we go. The World Cup final is underway. So Spain began the match with their trademark possession-based football, patiently moving the ball from one side of the field to the other. Argentina stay compact, pressing aggressively whenever Spain entered dangerous areas. The opening minutes are played at an incredible pace as neither team wants to make the first mistake. Spain created the first real opportunity after a beautiful sequence of quick passes through midfield. Their striker finds a small pocket of space just outside the penalty area before unleashing a powerful strike toward the bottom corner. Argentina's goalkeeper reacted brilliantly, diving full stretches to push the ball away for a corner. What a magnificent save under immense pressure. Argentina slowly began to settle into the match. Their midfield starts winning important battles, allowing their attackers to move forward with confidence. A clever throw ball split the Spanish defense, sending the Argentines forward racing toward goal. He shoots first time, but Spain's goalkeeper stands tall and make an outstanding stop to keep the score level. The intensity keeps rising as both sides exchange dangerous attacks. Every tackle is fiercely contested, every pass carries importance, and every chance excites the crowd. This is exactly what everyone expected from a World Cup final. Around the half-hour mark, Argentina finally find the breakthrough. A quick interception in midfield launches a lightning-fast counter-attack. The ball is played wide before an accurate low cross flashes across the 6-yard box. The Argentina striker times his run perfectly, arriving between two defenders to calmly finish into the far corner. And here is the goal for Argentina. The stadium erupts with celebration. So, friends, the stadium is erupted uh, because the Argentina do his first goal in his half time and plus 5 minutes. The stadium erupted with celebration as Argentina supporters explode with joy. Argentina take a deserved 1-0 lead, and Spain suddenly find themselves under enormous pressure. Spain refused to panic. They immediately increases the tempo, pushing more players into the attack and looking for a quick response. Their passing becomes sharper, and Argentines are forced to defend deeper than before. Just before halftime, Spain almost equalized. A curling free kick sails over the defensive wall and heads toward the top corner, but Argentina's goalkeeper produced another spectacular save, tipping the ball onto the crossbar before the defenders cleared the danger. What a dramatic first half. The referee blows the whistle and Argentina heads into dressing room leading 1-0. So friends, now we'll discuss about the second half. Uh, The second half began with the Spain showing far greater urgency. They dominated possession and continuously searched for opening around Argentina's disciplined defense. Cross after cross enter the penalty area, but Argentina remains organized and composed. Eventually, Spain's persistence pay off. A brilliant 1-2 combination opens space near the edge of the box. The Spanish midfielder threads a perfectly weighted pass behind the defense, allowing the striker to sprint through on goal. With incredible composure, he places the ball beyond the goalkeeper into the bottom corner. And here is the goal for Spain. The score is now 1-1, and the momentum suddenly shifts. Spain believe they can complete the comeback, while Argentina now they must respond quickly and before losing control of the match. The game becomes wonderfully open as both teams create chances after chance. Argentina hits the post following a powerful header from a corner kick, while Spain wastes an excellent opportunity after blazing a close range shoot over the crossbar. Every minute feel more dramatic than the last. With just over 15 minutes remaining, Argentina launch another devastating counter-attack. A perfectly timed tackle win possession deep inside their own half. One quick pass finds the midfielder, who immediately sends a magnificent ball into open space. The Argentine forward burst past the last defender with incredible pace. He enters the penalty area, looks up for a split second, and calmly slots the ball underneath the advancing goalkeeper. And the goal for Argentina. What a finish! Argentina regain the lead and at 2-1, and their supporters can hardly believe what they are witnessing. Spain throw absolutely everything forward during the closing stages. Defenders join the attacks, midfielders take more risk, and long balls continuously fly into the Argentine penalty area. Argentina, however, defend with remarkable determination. Every player tracks back, every tackle is perfectly timed, and every clearance is greeted with loud cheers from the traveling fans. The goalkeeper delivers one final unforgettable moment deep into the stoppage time. Spain create a golden chance inside the 6-yard box. The shoot seems destined for the back of the net, but Argentina's goalkeeper somehow reacts instantly, producing a sensational point-blank save that keeps his team in front. The crowd is on its feet. Spain earned one lost corner. Even their goalkeeper comes forward hoping for a miracle. The cross swings dangerously into the box. Players leap everywhere, but an Argentine defender rises highest to clear the ball far upfield. The referee checks his watch, and there is the final whistle. Argentina are the World Cup champion. What an unforgettable performance in this incredible e-football video game simulation. Spain fought bravely from start to finish and pushed Argentina all the way. But the Argentine team showed exceptional composure, clinical finishing, and outstanding defending when it mattered most. The players collapsed to the ground in celebration as blue and white confetti fills the virtual stadium. Fans sing passionately while teammates embrace each other after completing an extraordinary World Cup journey. The captain proudly walked toward the presentation stage before lifting the famous World Cup trophy high into the air. Fireworks illuminate the night sky as the celebration begins. Argentina win the World Cup final by 2-1, completing a memorable tournament filled with thrilling victories and unforgettable moments. If you enjoyed this e-football video game simulation, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification so you never miss another World Cup simulation. Thanks you all for watching. Congratulations to Argentina, and we will see you in the next football gaming advantage. Thanks all of you guys, and kindly subscribe my channel if you like this type of video game simulation match. I hope you like it, and the match was very interesting. Again, I repeat, this is a video game simulation match, and the result of outcome is not uh, any real world football match. It is a video game simulation match of Spain between Spain and Argentina. I hope you like it. So kindly subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next match. So then goodbye.